Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So I went to my Family Dollar today and I just picked up a couple of cute little things and I want to show you something that I'm going to put in the laundry room. I have lost weight. I'll do an updated diet video here soon. But I wanted to get a new shirt and it looks big enough. I liked it because it's wider. It was $5 and it's an extra large. I went from an XXL to 1X. You know, XXXL is like a 2X. 1X. It depends on what it looks like. I can't stand the shirts that come up. I want it longer. So I will get the next size up to make it longer. But this one looked perfect. And it's black and white. It's my favorite. So it does come down where I want it to. So I did pick up a shirt. And I've got gray, well, never mind this one. I have my gray nails with marble on that I had put on. They're coming off. I've lost 3 so far. And I'm just waiting for the other ones to come off. But look at what I found down there. These are gorgeous. These are Lavish Nails, Luxe Finish. It says new. And it's the long coffin shape, and it's called Wild Rush. But I thought it would be good going into autumn. Look at those. Can you see those? Aren't they stinking gorgeous? I don't really care too much for the leopard part of it, but they are pretty altogether. So, and they're a little bit longer. So these ones are just a little bit longer. The next ones are probably going to be, up here. So I may have to trim them down a little bit, but I love those. Oh my heck. So I did get those. And then when I was going through my planner stuff, when I did my cart right here, I noticed stickies. I didn't have this size. I didn't have a lot of this size. I only have like barely a couple. So I did grab one of these. I think they were $1. They were in the school section and for the school section. So I did pick up some more of those. So I will open those up. I mean, I'll pick up things here and there. I probably should have saved it for my haul because I ordered some. I don't know if anybody watches planner stuff. I watch Julie's Plans. Actually, I watch a bunch. But mostly it's Julie's Plans and At Home with Keita. I think that's what it is. I love her stuff. I've been watching her for quite a few years now. And she opened up her own planner store. And I just watched, she just put a video out yesterday or today on her papers, but how to choose the right one for you. The planner sections and stuff, monthlies, weeklies, to-do lists, all that. She is tremendous. It's almost overwhelming. And I actually found 2 that caught my eye because of what I'm trying to do in mine. I'm like, ooh, that might work for me. So I did order them. It was like, I ordered 3. There's 3 different sets. So, and they were like $4.95 a piece or something like that. You get 8 each or something like that. And if I like them, it's enough to try them out. It cost me less than $20. Actually, $19.99, I think. And so it's enough to get me to try it to see if it's going to work for me. Because like I said in my other video, I am trying to use up what I have. So, but I may just say screw it and just start a whole new one. I don't know. But I got these. So I'll put those in my little bin here. So I have a few. So now I've got something to use. I don't have a lot compared to other people. I have enough, but okay. When I was in college, you all saw my painting that I did. It's still right here. This one I didn't do in college. This one I did a few years ago, like 2000, when did I do this? 2016, I think. 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. Yeah, 2016. I painted this one. And it's watercolor. I love watercolor. I don't care for acrylic too much, other than what I'm doing for my dolls. And then I painted these. I'm trying to remember which way they go. It was at somebody's yard. I love these frames. I'll bring them up close in just a minute. So there's a fence line, there was a birdhouse, and some flowers. It looks, watercolor looks good from far away, but close up it looks like crap. But from far away it looks awesome. So right now, because we're far away, it looks good. You can tell the fence, and you can tell the trees and stuff right here. It looks good. So I have a fence line here and some trees, and it's really dirty. Let me clean the dust off. Okay, and then there were a bunch of trees, and there was like a clothesline thing or something right here, and then their house set back and another fence over here, and it goes together, but I'm trying to think which way it goes. I think it goes this way. I think. I can't remember. Anyway, they go together. But here is my paintings. I want to put these, I love looking at them. And I want to put them in my laundry room so I can always look at them. So there they are. I did those. I haven't painted anything in a long time. I have some pictures since we moved out here of, there's wild sunflowers down our road. Well, I have one picture, it's gorgeous. It has the wild sunflowers in front of the old fence, old barnwood-like fence with the mountain in the background. I want to paint that. I've got the picture. I can just blow it up and just hang it up if I want. But I think it would be fun to try to paint it, you know, try to paint it and stuff. But I really enjoyed my art class. I did watercolor and I did drawing. And I can't find it right at the moment, but I have, it's called the Dead Scroll Seaman, if you look it up. I hand drew him and it came out so good. And I want to frame it, but I put it away and I don't remember what I did with it. I think it's in my shelf over with my stuff over there. It's in a green, I know what it's in, but I just haven't been able to find it. And I'd like to put that in a frame too. But these are my artworks that I've done that I really liked. So yeah, so I'm gonna hang these up in I used to have them on my mantle for spring and summer, but I think I want to see them in my laundry room. I don't know. If I have room for them, that's where I want to put them. So that is it, and that's a cute little haul. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it, and we shall see you all again soon. Bye now.